Kind regards. The implementation of the 5E model stage to build students' vocabulary. People have early stage of learning to learn simple things to the most complex a human learning process begin in which they try to connect previous knowledge with new knowledge. And for this process, collaborative work is very important to improve the performance of vocabulary. Vocabulary is the knowledge of words and meanings of words. The knowledge of a word that not only implies a definition but also implies how the word fits in the words. Vocabulary knowledge is not something that can be completely mastered, but it implies on depths in the course of life. Vocabulary plays an important role in learning of foreign language, as is the important component in communicative competence. Vocabulary is also crucial for the production, understanding of language. The role of vocabulary is recognized in the situation of the first language and occurs in the environments of the second language. It is important to motivate students, and for this teacher must implement action research in the classroom, consisting of 4 stages: planning, implementation, observation, and reflection. Okay, thank you. Bye.